you sure I like this thing?
I've told you you like it.
Yeah.
Very sweet, you like it.
Madam.
Oh, that one again. You like it, very sweet. Customer, you're finished. No. I've told you you like it. Mr. Man, where are you going to?
I'm going to my house.
Where is my money?
Which money?
The money because of my drinks.
Oh, this drink.
Uh-huh.
I was looking for Fanta. And you gave me this one. You said I would like it. And I don't like it. How can I pay for what I don't like?
Yeah, me go say down. Me go because we didn't know. I go say down. I go. Come and pay my money.
Don't give me any money.